Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Leos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see now. For my Leos, please, 3 shuffles. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies today, okay? So let's see. Okay, so this is your energies. So at the back of the deck, it's the 5 of Cups. So, this is related with sadness, with thinking about some kind of past issues, regretting about some past things in your life, why someone did that. Might be you, might be the other person in your life. So we are going to clarify. In your past energies, we have Page of Pentacles, King of Rods and Knight of Rods. So this is like Pentacle and Rods. It's like, fiery energies. A lot of action was there. But with the Pentacles, it's like, actions were taken, but they were anyone, whosoever, you or the other party or other person, anyone in your life, somebody was taking actions for a very passionate action basically. Because with the King of Rods and with the Knight of Rods, I'm seeing that these actions are really passionate. And when you actually, when you see yourself in a particular situation, then only you take these kind of actions. Because with the King of Rod, it's like the king is taking an action. This must be something very which is actually looking stable, or not stable, but it is actually looking wonderful, or then only this king comes. And with the Page of Pentacles, I'm seeing that this might be for somebody, might be a new school, something new which you have started, where it involves some more learning. So this was really passionate decision, and it actually, you took time to take this decision, I'm seeing. Okay, your present energies are Judgment, 3 of Rods and Temperance over here. So 2 major arcana out of 3. So this is like something major is coming up in your, is going on in your life. So this is the time where, whatever decisions, with this 5 of Cups, it might be like, some decisions might be wrong, where you have taken some wrong decisions in your life. And that is why the Judgment is here, where you can actually analyze that, okay, I have done this thing wrong, so now it's time to take the proper decisions. See, mistakes can be done by anyone, so it's not there to, you should not regret for some kind of mistakes in your life. Life is very simple. People make it complicated. So you have to just move on in your life. That is what you actually need, and that is what you are actually moving on. With this Temperance card, I'm seeing, you are actually balancing your thoughts, you are balancing your mind and your heart over here. Your future energies are the Emperor, the High Priestess and Queen of Swords. See, I told you, this is really something really high. And I'm seeing that with this Emperor, a really strict decision or something you are going to take. There are actions coming up in your life. Might be you are going to take this action, but it is actually showing, it's actually feeling that it's you who are going to take some kind of an action in your future, which actually involves some kind of when you actually analyze the situation, when you do the proper research. Because with the High Priestess, it looks like everything, because High Priestess is someone who knows the truth. but she's just waiting time to reveal the truth actually. So she is just there, sitting over there thinking, okay, so go on, I know everything. So whatever you are, if you're talking lie to High Priestess and the Queen of Swords, she knows that you are talking lie. So it's like you know everything. So that is this situation I'm seeing. Okay, so let's clarify this Five of Cups over here. Why the Five of Cups is here? Why in the overall energy? Six of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Magician. So I'm seeing that somebody made a mistake, not a mistake, but just moving out from a situation just like that. Neither telling the other person, not exactly clarifying the situation. This is that Seven of Swords where he just sneaks out, where he do not like to have a chit chat with the other person, and it's better to move out from that particular situation and just very not even telling anyone. It's like a thief, how thief does. Obviously he just breaks into your home and he just steals everything and go. So this is some kind of a betrayal time where you can, might be you who have betrayed someone and now you are crying for that, or vice versa, it can be anyways. All right, so with the Magician and Six of Pentacles, I'm seeing that it's like somebody, I'm really getting this High Priestess energy in your right now energy, where you actually knew that this person was this situation is going to end, and you actually were wanting that thing, you were actually manifesting for that thing. Whenever it is going to end, I'm ready for it, I'm ready. So all you were doing was you were giving your energies to this particular thing, but you knew that someday it will end. You knew that thing. Let's see why this Page of Pentacles is there in your past energies. Four of Cups. What else do we have? Why is this Four of Cups over here, please? Two of Cups and Death. Okay, so a lot of action is being taken by someone over here, but someone else, it's like a no from the other end. With the Four of Cups and the Death card, I'm getting that when you just want, all you want is to end the stuff, all you want is to say no, all you want is to say reject the other person's efforts, other person's energy. That is what is happening in your past. It's like you are giving, you are investing, because Page of Pentacles is like a very new person, a child who is very sincere and who is very loyal, and he wants to give the loyalty to the other person, and all the other person is saying is no, I don't require this thing. So I'm seeing with this particular thing, with the Two of Cups over here as well, so these cups were not acceptable to the other person. This love or this energy was not acceptable to the other person, and that is why this person actually ended. So this might be because of some career issues as well from the other end, I'm seeing. Might be because the other person is really ambitious, is really passionate, that I can get someone else, someone better than you, I don't need you. So that energy where like this, all this kind of stuff happens. Yeah, so that is why this person, I really feel that it's not you, this is someone else who was just basically doing the time pass, and when that person actually got the opportunity to move out from the place, then it was just like, okay, so I really need to leave and let's break up. So that is the situation which I'm getting, and you knew it. That is also, I know you knew it, you knew all the situation, that it is going to happen. Let's see the Judgment in your present energies. Six of Swords, and what else do we have? the Empress and the Ace of Pentacles. All right, so it's time to start something new, start something which is actually, something very mature, something very stable, something which will actually give you a lot of maturity and a lot of ease to do anything in your life. This maturity is not just like it will just come like that. You really have to do a lot of inner work after to get this kind of a maturity. You see how a mother is such a caring person, such a loving person. So this is just like your mom, or this is what you actually need. You have to understand, you have to love yourself, you have to love the other people around you. And that is why I'm seeing the Judgment call is here. That means this is your decision time is here, where you really need to go, and you have to build something strong for yourself. Because when you were putting efforts to and you were giving your energies to other person, they didn't value that thing. And now when you are actually putting those efforts in yourself and you are seeing yourself growing, so that is what is actually is making some sense in your life. So that is what I'm seeing. Okay, so let's see, why is this Three of Rods is here in your present energies. Five of Pentacles and the Chariot. See, leaving a situation and moving on in your life, that is what you are doing. If that person left, whosoever this person, or if anything in your past life, if you left or someone else left you, it's like, just let's move on now. We really have to move on. That's the Chariot never says no to the situation. Chariot is like, go girl, go boy, that's your life, you have to live it now, move on. That is what move on is, the big word when the Chariot comes. Past, it will always be hurtful, it will always say bad things when we think about the past. But I'm not saying that you are still, you cry sometime, you feel sad, but you are like a moving on person. And that's why you are in that balanced mode, where you are doing your yoga, you are doing your exercises, your mind balance techniques and all that. Might be reading some self-help books, all that I'm getting over here. Taking some good diets for you, nutritional diets, everything like that. So this is a really beautiful energy in your present which I'm getting right now. Let's see your future energies. What is this Emperor over here? Why the Emperor is here? Ten of Wands. Okay, what else do we have? We have Four of Coins. Okay, so I don't know whether it's you, but there is someone over here who is not actually letting go of the past, of that burden on it might be you, because with the Emperor is a fatherly figure, where with the father, it all comes with a lot of pressure on your father. When you see your father, he knows he has a lot of things, bills to pay, and home life, office life, everything like that. And a lot of pressure is there, and this is something where I'm seeing that you are moving on, but there is something in your head which you are not able to let go. And it's like it's you who are just holding on these. See how this person is holding on to the sticks, carrying the sticks. He can just drop these sticks whenever he wants. If you are not able to carry these 10 wands at one time, you can take it one by one, right? So this is doing something more than you can actually do something. That is the situation over here. If you're not able to carry 10 wands on your head, so just leave it, just take one by one, you can do. So this is what is the future energies are telling you, that if you're not able to do a particular things, like doing 10 things at a time, start doing them with one by one. Okay, so let's handle one situation at a time, then second, then third. This is the energy, this is the guidance which is coming for you in the future. Okay, so let's see the High Priestess over here. Why is the High Priestess? With the High Priestess, see, I'm just getting that actually what I'm telling you is nothing new to you. You already know that. That is what I'm getting. You know that it's a lot of burden. You know that it's a lot to just take for yourself. You can just take one by one thing at a time. So I'm not clarifying the High Priestess. She is the, I really like High Priestess, you know. She knows everything, but sometimes, you know, when you know everything but still you are not able to do, that is the problem. You know everything, but you just need someone to push you, to tell you that you can do this, you can do that. It's like that energy over here. Let's clarify this Queen of Swords. Why is this Queen of Swords? Knight of Swords and the Page of Cups. Alright, so see, I'm seeing that when with the Queen of Swords, she is the queen of action. She is like, just like the High Priestess, the similarity between two is she knows where the bullshit is going on. She knows very well. She doesn't entertain the bad things. She knows everything. She knows the truth. So that is why with the Page of Cups and the Knight of Swords, I'm seeing that, you know, there might be some kind of a thing which might come towards you, like a, you know, instant message to you, and I'm seeing that the action which you are going to take is really fast, but all you have to do before is take one thing at a time. All right, so that's all, Leos. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.